Hello everyone. Since the last deluxe playset reveal is the Cyberdramon, and this time the second one will be the Freemon deluxe playset. And also, in some picture you can see I have also the Terriermon playset, and in the future I will show you also the Hawkmon deluxe playset. And this time let's focus back on the Freemon's deluxe playset. And from the box you can see some promotion of the 4 ancient Digimon talking figures. And at the back you can see also the other 2 deluxe playset is the Hawkmon, the Armadillmon, and from Freemon it can distribute into Freedramon. And the inner structure part of this Freemon deluxe playset. Okay. Now first part, let's open this Freemon's deluxe playset. And let's see. And this is the inner decoration part, and it's not able to move it out. It's very tight in this box. Okay, let's take away the box first. And this is the Freemon's figures, deluxe playset figures. And this is the first part of the unboxing video. And then in the second part you'll see how this deluxe playset digifold into Freedramon first.